Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded anything, but with the holiday season coming, I've just been feeling lazier and tired and tons of things to do with family. And so as a result, I have not filmed as much as I intended, but good news is I'm going to film for the rest of this year, sorry, and I should have videos every week for the rest of the year. If you are new to my channel is about personal finance, personal growth, luxury travel, and all things luxury. So today's specific topic, as you can tell, is about the 5 questions you should ask yourself every time before you purchase a luxury item, because in the last year I found myself like stress purchasing, and I've purchased a lot more luxury in 2020 than I've ever done before. I only started collecting in 2019 after I turned 30, because I was just like, forget it, like I just want to have the stuff I've been waiting to have, and after making so many investments I just was ready to spoil myself. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the first question you should ask, which is, does it make my heart sing? So when you're buying luxury items, the prices are ridiculous. You're paying for branding, you're paying for their of course the quality and the craftsmanship and the history, and so to get something just because it's on trend is not a good idea, and it'll probably end up sitting in your closet for an extended period of time. So it's really important to get things that make your heart sing, that make you excited to use it, that make you feel like they added some kind of value to your life. If it's not functionality and it's just for the luxury, like for most luxury items, then definitely has to make your heart sing and make you very excited to purchase it, to use it on a daily basis, or however often you want to use it. And the second question is, if I did not see it on an influencer, would I still want it? I think we all fall for the influencer, you know, styling it cute, and we end up wanting to purchase it. And though sometimes those are good suggestions, you still have to make sure, like, if you never saw it on that influencer, would you still want the item? And if you hesitate or the answer is no, then you might want to reconsider whether this item is really something you want to add to your collection and is actually going to add any value to your luxury collection. The next question you should ask yourself is, do I have the budget for it, right? It's not a good idea to get into debt over luxury items, because as the name implies, it's a luxury. I'm not saying I've been completely immune to using credit cards to get luxury items, but it's definitely a habit I've completely canceled, and it shouldn't be a habit that should start at all, because you should save up or just have enough wealth to purchase these luxury items to begin with, because you don't need them. They literally are just luxuries. And most luxury items that I talk about on this channel and that a lot of other people talk about here on YouTube are stupid expensive. So the debt can accrue pretty fast with, you know, very few items. So it's really important that you figure out if you even have the budget for it, right? And even if you do have the budget for it, it's also important to consider if there's something else that you would love better that you could put that money towards, instead of just purchasing every little SLG or every little scarf. I fell into this because, you know, $200 seems a lot better than spending $2,000 on a purse or $5,000 on a purse. So those little $200 items I was starting to just pick up without thinking, and as a result of that, you end up with thousands of dollars worth of small items that can be easily lost, small items that kind of end up being repetitive. Like, no person needs 5 wallets or 25 scarves, or, you know, whatever crazy amount of small SLGs that you start to collect. So it's important to really figure out like which items, especially small things like that, you maybe can not buy and then save up for the bigger items. Question number 4 you should ask yourself is, how often will I use this luxury item? and also a lot of like self-awareness, because the cost per wear thing is a thing that you should consider. It's not the only thing that you should consider, but if you're gonna buy something, even if it makes your heart sing, but you can't think of ways that you're gonna use it, then are you really just trying to convince yourself that it's a good buy, or is it actually a good buy? So considering how often you're gonna wear it, how it fits into your wardrobe, how hard you are on the material the item is made of, like lambskin Chanel bags are very easy to damage, and so if you're someone who's really hard on your bags, you might want to reconsider that option. And if you do take that option, then you'll have to consider how often you're going to use it because of its sensitivity and your lack of careful handling. And part of that question, it's really important to just be honest with yourself and not just get it because you're excited. The last question you should ask yourself is, do I already own something similar? So my collection is still pretty small relatively to other YouTubers, but it's a decent amount of stuff, especially like I said, this year I purchased a lot. I actually didn't show everything I purchased. I'm probably going to reveal a couple more things as part of my Christmas unboxing, but if you own something similar, you should probably consider that you might need to consider a different item, because I don't know how many walleted chains you want to have, how many crossbodies. Like if you have something similar, you might need to just let it go and find something else, because now you're just in repetition mode. Up until you reach a place where you feel like your purse collection is complete, I don't plan on repeating any styles, repeating any, I guess, yeah. I don't plan on repeating things that, or getting things that look similar. Like I want a Chanel wallet on chain, but I'm not going to buy 2 or 3 before I get other bags that are on my wish list, on my ultimate wish list. But anyway, enough with those questions. I'm going to actually quickly do an unboxing of this item that my sister and I are giving away as part of our company that we're relaunching, Savvy Luxury Sisters. Savvy Luxury Sisters is an online clothing boutique that my sister and I are curating different outfits that we will be making available on the 9th of January. And in celebration of relaunching that brand, we are giving away a Louis Vuitton item. I'm actually going to put the unboxing of when I got the actual package up here. And yeah, it's an SLG that's hard to find. I remember when I was scrolling through the website, the Louis Vuitton website, I was really excited when I saw it available and I purchased it, and I was like, let's just do it as a part of a giveaway. And just to go a little bit more into Savvy Luxury Sisters, we actually initially started it back in September of 2019, but because of other commitments and things that we were doing in our lives, we haven't had the time to build the brand. But it is a brand that we really find we enjoy working on, and so we decided to relaunch and rebrand and to really explain to you guys what Savvy Luxury Sisters is about. Like I said, we are an online boutique, and our specialty is getting outfits that go well with designer bags, because we already have an obsession with luxury bags and luxury items, but not everyone wants to spend the amount it costs to get ready to wear. But there are outfits out there that are more affordable that we will have available in our boutique, in order to help, you know, people like me who collect handbags to still look good with our beautiful bags. So anyway, I'm gonna stop that shameless plug and talk about the item that I got. Okay, so when I opened the box, they didn't even wrap it this time. They just kind of put the ribbon in here with the item, you know, which I found kind of careless, but whatever. And here we go. Here's the item. You already know what it is from the title, but I just wanted to show it on camera. And here it is. It is the key pouch in Demier Eben. It is gorgeous. Okay, and these babies are now selling for $225 a piece. I remember when I first started getting into Louis Vuitton just last year, these were like under 200, but now we're at 225. And yeah, we're giving these away. If you go on our Instagram for Savvy Luxury Sisters, that's the name of the Instagram page. The very last post we made, the post with the picture of this item is where you can find instructions on how to enter the giveaway. The giveaway, basically you follow our Instagram page, you like the picture, and you tag 3 people that love luxury items, bags, just like we do. So anyway, I kind of talked longer than I intended to, but I think it was all worth it. So I hope you guys have a great week. And today's Wednesday, I'm posting this, and I will post another video on Friday. I kind of forgot what the topic is on that one, but I'll be posting it. Wait, no, it's a collaboration video that I'm doing with another YouTuber, so check out that video on Friday. Thanks, you guys. Bye.